This is lesson 23, and our goal is to be able to solve quadratics by using the quadratic formula. And we're hoping to be able to answer 4 out of 5 correctly on the practice questions in PLP. All right, so on your paper, please write this down. It's not showing the greatest, but it says Unit 3, this is Lesson 23, Solving Quadratic Equations Using the Quadratic Formula. There's a little bit of formatting issues. Sorry about that. So we've been talking for the past couple of lessons about finding the x-intercepts of a quadratic. We've already gone through the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and now we've been focusing on those x-intercepts. And if we look here at this picture, here we have a picture of a quadratic equation. We have the U-shaped parabola. And if we look closely, the x-intercepts are like fractions, they're decimals, they're irrational numbers, they're crazy decimals. And so it's hard for us to say what the x-intercept is. In this picture, it looks like it's negative 4 point something. Maybe it's negative 4.1, but I'm guessing, I don't know. And if we look over here, it looks like the x-intercept is just past the value of 1. So maybe it's like 1.1 over here. But the reason why I'm showing you this graph is because sometimes the answers aren't nice answers like we've gotten in the previous lessons. And so in order to get an exact answer, we need a different way to solve these. And that's what we are learning in this lesson. We're learning how to use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. Please write this down on your paper, the quadratic formula. You can use it for any quadratic equation, that has the ax squared plus bx plus c. As long as your equation looks like that, you can use the quadratic formula to solve it. Okay, so the formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Please write that down, and then we will do some practice problems where I walk you through how to do problems and that you need to use the formula to solve them. So I'll show you how to use that formula.